Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to fix mic noise and hum. First, try moving the mic if it's near your speakers. That'll cause feedback. Or lower your speaker volume. If that's not it, let's check the sound settings. Go to the microphone settings for more audio options. Here's the recording section, and here's our microphone. See? Make sure you've selected the right mic. If so, right-click Properties, then Advanced. Choose these settings, like mine. See? Next, check the levels. If it's too noisy, lower the sensitivity a bit. This will reduce microphone noise. Uncheck this box here. And check this one instead. Like this. Sorry, I meant here, like I had before. My mistake. Then click Save. If the hum persists, it might be the mic itself. Most mics have built-in sensitivity controls. Try turning it down. This should hide unwanted sound effects. That's all, folks. This has been. See you later.